Here we are, the entrance to Great Pumpkin Luminights. Oops, I'm excited. I love Halloween, shiny things. I like things that glow in the dark. This is right up my alley. Harvest Festival starts just as soon as you walk into Dollywood with the Harvest Sky. So once you walk through most of the park, you get to the real start of the Great Pumpkin Luminights. And we're going to walk you through during the day, and then we'll take you back during the night and show you how it looks then. There are just pumpkins everywhere at Dollywood for the Harvest Festival. These giant pumpkins are kind of mind-blowing, like 600, 700 pounds? How in the world do you do this? And more importantly, how long does it take? I mean, obviously, can it be years? I have no idea. The one you come to is Dolly's guitar made of pumpkins. And all the little music notes, it's very cute. Right outside of Blazing Fury, we have the pumpkin quilts. Can't wait till those are lit. At a Blazing Fury, we got the Blazing Fury pumpkin and some firefighter themed pumpkins. And then we got some pretty scary pumpkin owls hanging down the pathway. We'll go check them out in a second. And this is coming down the path just to the right of Blazing Fury. Got the harvest lights that'll turn on later, and more of the pumpkin owls. I like to say these owls don't look like they're in a very good mood. I don't think.
Oh no.
Outside Fire Chaser Express, we have the friendly spider, and some of its babies have made a home in the tree. So outside of Fire Chaser, we have all the squirrels and their nuts. Outside Wild Eagle, we got some eagle pumpkins. Challenge the horizon, soar to new heights. This cool dude is Amber Cup the pumpkin. He's outside the Firehouse Fun Yard. And these are the pumpkins for the Fire Chaser Express. I really like that they got the little fire dog down there. And some flames and some firefighter helmets. Oh, there's a hydrant. Probably for the fire dog. And this over here is the wall of pumpkins just after Fire Chaser. All kinds of sunflowers. Side of the Mystery Mine. And they've got quite a few bats hanging off the building up there too. Buzzard outside the Mystery Mine even has his own pumpkin mascot. Mystery Mine, we got some Scarecrow Bros and some scary pumpkins. The drop line, we have its pumpkin, but we also have the Frog Pond. They all look bright-eyed, ready to go, don't they?
The frog pumpkins are really, I don't know, they're just really neat.
Inside a Whistle Punk Chaser, there's a wall of pumpkin mice.
Oh, there's more cats up here on the wall.
And just a little farther down, there's some pumpkin cats waiting for them. So outside of Thunderhead, we have pumpkins in the shape of a waterfall and fish and otters playing in the stream. Past the Tunnel of Lights, we have the Snake Oil Salesman's Wagon, and just past that is the Pumpkin Dance Party. And then you got these pumpkins with the coffin, which makes a nice photo op. All kinds of pumpkins. These pumpkins look worried about what they dug up or the fact that there's an empty coffin here. I hear some music over here. Looks like the pumpkins are having a dance party. Sounds like they're getting funky here. Oil salesman has tonics, herbs, potions, and elixirs that cure anything, everything, and all at once too. And this is the Tunnel of Lights. I believe we're headed through Timber Canyon now. And over here is the stream and waterfall with all the fish in it. There's a beaver up here, cutting some wood off. And this camper has quite the roaring campfire. It's for Thunderhead, the wildest ride in the woods. You're good. Got some owls sitting out on a fence. Got all these cats sitting here waiting. Wonder what they're waiting on. And even more cats waiting. Guess they're all waiting to hang out with the rest of the animals. Although I'm not sure how they'd like hanging out with a big old hog. Got the lumberjack jam band going on over here. By the drop tower, we got the frog pond. Look at them all. Everywhere you look are pumpkins. Got a jack-o'-lantern garland outside of Lumberjack Pizza.
Neat. Spells out spooky over here.
Oh, it does.
And then Boo is on the other side.
Yeah, I saw Boo. I didn't see Spooky. We know who or what is to blame for that tree being cut down. Mystery Mine is all decked out in scarecrow pumpkins and other pumpkins. Some bat pumpkins outside of Mystery Mine. Let's go check out the buzzard over here. Oh, he's got a whole crew with him. Look at all those pumpkins. Forget the bats outside the mine too. Just pumpkins all over the place. Look high, look low, look everywhere. Got some more butterfly pumpkins out in Wildwood Grove. There are a whole mess of sunflower pumpkins back here in Wildwood Grove. And if you wanna,
Oops, sorry.
you can watch someone carve the pumpkins. You can watch someone carve them. And of course, year-round, we have the tree in Wildwood Grove.
I've never seen anything like it, basically.
At a Wildwood Grove, and right next to the Mystery Mine, we got the Bat Arch. We got some lit owls. What is a group of owls called? Why do I want to call it a hoot of owls? Is that right? And have another garden of sunflowers. I like the one back in Wildwood Grove better, though. But there are a lot of them. Splinter's Trailside Snacks. He's got his family up there represented in pumpkins. Amber Cup is looking even cooler than he did this afternoon with all of his pumpkins. Maybe he's the king of the pumpkins. It isn't Luminights, it's just Wild Eagle, and it looks cool at night. Wonder if this is more of Splinter's family. There's a whole mess of squirrels and acorns hanging out a little farther down the path. This is the friendly spider and all of her kids hanging around. And just down from her, there are even more creepy little spiders. That brings us down to the Tennessee tornado. These are the harvest lights and the overhead owls. I have to say, I don't think the video is doing these justice at all. It's quite magical to be out here under all this.
Oh, I missed those. Yeah, the owls.
Side of Blazing Fury, we have the pumpkin quilts. And we end with Dolly's pumpkin guitar. And all the notes of her song. We have finished Illuminight's Trail, but there's still Hoot Owl Hollow left. Got Mama Owl, bunch of little owlets under the stars. The owls have even taken up roost in the barn. And that brings us back to the pumpkin tree and the end of our night at Dollywood Illuminight's.
So if you were wondering if it costs extra, it is not. It is included in your ticket price. So hopefully you found this video useful,
Interesting or entertaining.
if so, please
Like
comment.
and subscribe.
Thank you for watching our video.